Welcome everyone to the GuideHub YouTube channel. For this video of GuideHub, I will be showing you how to change Spotify playlist name. To begin the process, open the Spotify application first and you need to get logged in. Once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on your library on the bottom menu, tap that. There on this page, you tap upon the playlist that you want to change the name. Tap upon that, and there on this page, you need to tap on the three dotted lines over at the left side. Tap that. There you need to tap on edit playlist. Tap on it. It will direct you to this page where you will be able to make changes to the name of the Spotify playlist. For that, tap and remove that name. Now you can provide a different name for this. You can see the changes being made. Now you need to make sure that the changes remain. For that, tap on save on the top right corner. And with that, the changes have been updated. This way you have changed the Spotify playlist name. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the GuideHub YouTube channel. Thank you.